Welcome to this lesson on evaluating integrals using the substitution method. Today, we'll evaluate the integral of x cubed times the square root of 1 minus x squared with respect to x using substitution. The first step is to identify a substitution that will simplify the integral. Here, we can see that the expression under the square root has a function we could substitute for. Let's let u equal 1 minus x squared. Next, we need to find the derivative of u with respect to x to replace dx in our integral. So do is negative 2x dx. Let's solve for dx so we can substitute into the original integral. Rearranging, we have dx equals do divided by negative 2x. Now let's substitute u and dx back into the integral. We substitute to get backslash int x cubed times the square root of u times do divided by negative 2x. Simplifying the integral, we can cancel an x from the numerator and denominator, resulting in negative 1/2 times integral x squared times root u do. To continue, we express x squared in terms of u using our substitution relation. X squared is equal to 1 minus u. Now let's replace x squared in our integral. So our integral becomes negative 1/2 times the integral of 1 minus u times root u do. Now let's expand 1 minus u under the integral. Now we have negative 1/2 times the integral of the square root of u minus u times the square root of u do. Now we'll integrate each term separately. First, the integral of u to the power of 1/2 is u to the power of 3 halves divided by 3 halves. And for the second term, the integral is u to the power of 5 halves divided by 5 halves. We simplify the expression by taking the fraction multipliers inverse. U to the power of 3 halves times 2/3 minus u to the power of 5 halves times 2/5. Finally, we distribute minus 1/2 into our terms, giving us u to the power of 3 halves over 3 minus u to the power of 5 halves over 5 plus c. Now remember our substitution. U is 1 minus x squared. Let's plug back in u. The solution to the integral is quantity negative 1/3 quantity 1 minus x squared to the power of 3 halves plus 1/5 quantity 1 minus x squared to the power of 5 halves plus c. That's our final answer. And we've evaluated our integral using the substitution method. Thanks for watching.